This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Josh Parnell. Don't miss this opportunity to own a top-floor condo with stunning views of Back Bay. Located in the sought-after sanctuary at Falls Cape in Sandbridge, this home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths and an open floor plan that is perfect for entertaining with LVP flooring throughout most of the unit. Nicely appointed kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, eat-at bar with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and ceramic tile flooring. Incredible amenities in this oceanfront development include 2 gyms, 3 pools, library, multiple grilling areas, outdoor seating, and swim-up bar and restaurant. This perfect location is close to great restaurants, the Falls Cape State Park, Back Bay and the Sandbridge Pier. September 18, 2024. For more information, review the details below.